Hello friends, this is for the assignment December cycle 2023, semester 4, supply chain management course related, international logistics and supply chain management. Let's move to the first question. An Indian tea estate based in Assam auctions its tea leaves to beverage companies who processes the tea leaves into their brand of tea powder and instant tea premixes for sale in different consumer markets. The management of the tea estate has decided to embark on forward integration of the tea processing and launching their own brand of tea powder and instant tea premixes to be sold pan-India. It is it is confident of seeing stable, strong demand for its new brand of tea after the initial introductory phase, during which the demand could be low and requires promoting and pushing the product in the market. How can the tea estate go about its supply chain planning and suggest appropriate supply chain strategy or strategies for its forward integration of project? Logistics and supply chain, we can start from chapter 4. Logistics and supply chain strategies. Then you have it critical factors considering the supply chain. Goes almost to 74. The taxonomy is not critical. Yeah, here comes the critical factors while considering. Okay. You can also look examples from other sources, particularly for the tea, so that you can write up very close to the answer. Question 2. An Indian chemical company is planning to expand its markets by exporting its products to the European market. What are the various factors it must consider in planning the logistics for the exports and suggest the appropriate choice of logistic strategy, in-house sourcing, etc. for the same? We have export sales contract 104. Here comes the export sales contract and its constituents. Here you have a detailed part of it, and then we are going back to selecting international logistic operators. So this is also a key important part of the question. Question 3. An Indian manufacturer of home appliances sources raw material and component from suppliers in India and China. Compare the various options of transporting modes to source the required raw material and components. Explain the choice of the appropriate transportation mode for the same. Then part B is the manufacturer plans to launch its range of smart home appliances for which it will be needed to import chips from reliable supplier abroad. From which countries can the manufacturer source such chips? How can it facilitate such procurement process over the long term in a consistent and reliable manner? Okay. So here we have a transportation mode of transportation. You'll get it in 130. Here you have mode of transportation. Then finally you define what kind of a mode of transportation will be suitable if you want to go ahead with China. Then for part B, chips you can buy from smart card. The very basic information is available here regarding the smart chips. Yeah, smart cards, applications, radio frequency identification. So there is a little bit of information, but not directly. What you can generally take out is like a Taiwan, South Korea, Singapore, some countries who are in Asia and also like US. They can help you to buy the chips. And also like international purchasing process will also help you to connect all the dots here with the principles, policies of international procurement, both keeping in mind page number 91. So international purchasing procurement system and international procurement process. So these two, refer it and then make it very appropriate for this situation here where you want to import the chips. Okay, thank you so much.